I dreamed I was the president of the United States. I dreamed I replaced ignorance, stupidity. I dreamed the perfect union and a perfect law untried. Most of all, I dreamed I forgot the day John Kennedy died. I dreamed that I could do the job that others hadn't done. I dreamed that I was uncorrupt and fair to everyone. I dreamed I wasn't gross or base, a criminal on the take. And most of all, I dreamed I forgot the day John Kennedy died. The day John Kennedy died. The day John Kennedy died. I remember where I was that day. I was upstate in a bar. The team from the university was playing football on TV. Then the screen went dead and the announcer said there's been a tragedy. Unconfirmed report, the president's been shot and
Today we two airplanes have crashed into the World Trade Center.
Today, our fellow citizens, our way of life, are very frequently under attack in a series of deliberate and deadly terrorist acts.
I was so close to the building that I couldn't walk away from the building.
May God bless the victims, their families, and America. Terrorism against our nation.
In New York, it's the World Trade Center.
A great people has been moved.
Okay, andiamo.
Trying to evacuate thousands and thousands of people. It's a horrible tragedy.
And now, if you join me in a moment of silence.
World Financial Center, el centro financiero de la ciudad de Nueva York. Obviamente no hay mucha información. Este edificio sabemos que está muy cerca del lugar donde...
Today, our fellow citizens, our way of life, our very freedom came under attack in a series of deliberate and deadly terrorist acts. The victims were in airplanes or in their offices. Secretaries, businessmen and women, military and federal workers, moms and dads, friends and neighbors. Thousands of lives were suddenly ended by evil, despicable acts of terror. This is a day when all Americans from every walk of life unite in our resolve for justice and peace. America has stood down enemies before, and we will do so this time. None of us will ever forget this day. Yet we go forward to defend freedom and all that is good and just in our world. Thank you. good night, and God bless America.